all my sisters of Alpha Zeta Delta. Just popping in here to give you a huge congratulations on winning the Excellence in Philanthropy Award this year. You've all overcome so many challenges, so here's to all of you and congratulations on a well-deserved award. TFJ.
Congrats to DZ for winning the Excellence in Philanthropy Award. I'm so proud of you girls. Congrats.
Congratulations, Sigma, on earning the Excellence in Philanthropy Award. I know you all do so much for March of Dimes. I'm so proud of you all. Congrats again.
Sending a huge congratulations to Alpha Zeta Delta on their accomplishment of winning the Excellence in Community Service Award. Be proud of yourself, sisters. I am super proud of you.
Hi, my name is Tara, and I am an alumni from the Delta Zeta chapter here at Eau Claire. And I just wanted to congratulate Delta Zeta on winning the Excellence in Community Service Award. Way to go, ladies.
Congratulations, DZ, on winning the Excellence in Scholarship Award. I knew you could do it!
Hello, my lovely Delta Zetas. Just popping in to say congrats on winning the Excellence in Programming Award. So proud of you guys. Keep it up.
I feel so old making this in my office, but I'm so excited to let you guys know that you guys received the Greek Excellence Award for Best in Retention and Recruitment this year. Given everything going on in the world with the pandemic, you should be insanely proud of yourselves. Keep up the great work. I miss you all so much, and you guys deserve this. Enjoy and celebrate. Take a moment and be proud of your accomplishments. Good job, guys.
Congratulations to Alpha Zeta Delta for winning the Excellence in Recruitment and Retention Award.
Congratulations to Delta Zeta on winning the Excellence in Greek and Community Relations Award. Miss you all!
Congratulations to Brianna for winning the Sisterhood Award. Whoop whoop! I am so proud of you. Congratulations again.
Hey ZD, so proud of all the work you guys have done over this past year, and I'm so excited to announce that this year's Community Service Award is going to one of our very own. So congrats to Sabrina Zelke for getting this year's Community Service Award. Keep it up, guys.
Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and I am a Delta Zeta alumni. Congratulations on another challenging but great year in Eau Claire Greek life. I'm very excited to announce the winner of the highest GPA award this year. The award goes to Summer Marsky from Delta Zeta. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Olivia Cammers, on winning Outstanding New Member. We're so happy to have you in Tri Sigma. We love you.
Hi Alpha Z's, it's Grace Mickelson here. If you don't know me, I am an alumni of 2018. I want to congratulate you guys on winning the Individual Philanthropy Award. I am so proud of all the work you guys are doing for Autism Speaks in the autism community. Hope to see you guys soon.
The person who won the Greek Woman of the Year is Courtney Diedrich. Congratulations, Courtney. I'm so proud of you and you've been a great role model for the Greek community.
Hey Greek Life, my name's Julia and I'm a Delta Zeta and Order of Omega alumni. I am so incredibly honored and excited to announce Delta Zeta as this year's Greek Life Chapter of the Year. Congrats DZ, I miss you lots, I'm so incredibly proud of you and I can't wait to come home soon. Love you all, thanks.